Alright guys, so I was on Marketplace the other night. I put the Chevelle up there for trade just to see, and I had this little car offered to me with some cash, and seemed to make sense to me, so we've ended up with something different yet again. Here it is. It's a 78 Trans Am. It is a real Trans Am. It's missing the little spoiler in the front and the pieces in front of the rear tire. I may put them back on it in black. I think that would look good. But it is titled and a real 78 Trans Am. It's got a 496 big block Chevrolet in it. It's a Gen 5 block. It's got a set of 320cc Merlin cylinder heads on it. 710 lift comp solid roller camshaft. Eagle H-beam rods, Eagle Forge crankshaft 4340, 14-to-1 dome top piston. Middlebrock Victor manifold, 1050 ultra HP Holley carburetor. The entire fuel system is new. They had the car on alcohol and then swapped it over to gas, so its fuel system's new front to back. It's got aerospace disc brakes all the way around, ProStar wheels, aluminum radiator. It's got a power glide in it with Ultra Bell, deep pan, Pro Brake, PTC 8-inch converter. It's a really pretty car. It's got some pearl in the paint. It really shines nice outside. It's got a set of custom built Fender exit headers on it. Still got the factory dash in it. I love that it's still got the factory dash. The only thing that's really cut up on the car is the door panels. Were cut out for the Lexan. I'm sure they cut the door bars and stuff out. They did that. But other than that, nothing is cut up. Still got all the factory floor pans in it. It's got a roll bar, decent looking roll bar. We may put a little more cage in it at some point. All the electronics are over there. It's got MSD6AL box, a little Wizard delay box, RPM switch for the shifter, 2-step MSD timing controller. It's got a 275/60 radial on it right now. 8.5 rear end, 456 gears, strange axles. It's got the girdle on it, spool, QA1 single adjustable shocks, Calvert split monoleafs, Caltrack bars. You can see there the fuel system, it's all new. Dash 10 line ran to the front. It's really clean on the underside. Disconnect switch there. Anyway, I really like the little car. I think it's gonna be a good fit for me. We're gonna try to get this one to the track. I'll get it pulled outside and get it cranked up and let y'all hear it. So far I've got an Innovative Racecraft steering wheel I'm going to put in the car, and an aluminum seat. I think I like the way that feels a little bit better than that plastic seat in the car. I usually prefer the aluminum seat, and I think it'll look nicer in the car also. We've just been tinkering with a few little things on it here and there, and gonna get it the way I want it, and we'll be getting it out soon and having some fun with it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope y'all like the little car. I really like it. Look forward to doing some more with it, and hopefully we can keep this one around for a little while. I really do like the little car. I think it's going to be a good car, and I think it's a good fit for the stuff we got going on around here. Anyway, stay tuned for the next one. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for subscribing, commenting, liking, everything that y'all do. I really appreciate it, and look forward to the next one. Thank y'all.